Minisitiri y'Amizi n'Obuhangwa nekyongera kulinda eby'obuhangwa hamujara gwa Nyamwamba ekirije kuleetaho kukyendeza kw'abatura okuferwa ebintu byabo.
These degraded areas are the areas that collect a lot of water because the level of infiltration of this water is actually negligible basing on the level of degradation of those areas.
Osbat Muhumuza orukora n'isongore cha Excel Hot Consult Agribusiness Incubator Limited nasima government abo kubakwataraho.
Rabira obu ministry y'Amizi na environment abuja kutuyambira okureba ya skillinga kandi ekindi yatwonjera na machines eziri kutuyamba okureba mu twakora products kezimba. So ekozire chamani munonga.
We planted 30 kilometers of the river bank. So the purpose was to stabilize the river bank, so that we protect the soils from being eaten by the river itself.
Richard Bomera or chairman w'akakiiko akatibweho nkarinde eby'obuhangwa ha mujerogu najara government bahirize byomebera gumene bihama mabaro mu mujerogu.
If government can give us like 2 excavators and like 2 bulldozers, those 4 machines are enough to do this, and I am convinced that government has that capacity, because an excavator like this one cannot go beyond 1 billion. So you can imagine we need only around 4 billion to have the machines deployed here.
As we are telling you, in the next phase of the project, what we intend to do with finances, enough funds, we can give this Ethiopia and all through until up to maybe road barrier.
But the challenge we have had is the people who are self-seekers who want to let us down by destroying even what has been put in place.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.